If opening your eyes felt like lifting weights this morning, if that familiar dread pooled in your chest before your feet even touched the floor, this sacred space is for you. These 5 minutes will gently untangle the exhaustion before your day demands anything. Breathe with me. Let these words be the soft landing your weary soul needs at dawn. I am allowed to feel tired and still be whole. Rest is productive and necessary for my well-being. My worth is not measured by what I finish today. I give myself permission to slow down. I choose one meaningful step, not many. Small progress is still progress. I honor the limits my body and mind show me. It is okay to say not today when I need to. I let go of any guilt about taking breaks. I protect my energy with gentle boundaries. I am patient with my pace and my process. I breathe into the space I need to heal. I release perfection and welcome compassion. I am enough even when I do less. I allow rest to restore my focus and creativity. I will do what I can, and that will be enough. My mind and body deserve gentleness today. I ask for help when I notice I need it. I celebrate small wins and small steps. My presence matters more than my productivity. I refill my cup with quiet moments and soft breaths. Today, I choose care over hustle. I'm learning how to protect my peace. Each restful pause teaches me how to show up better tomorrow. This heavy morning doesn't dictate your day. Every breath you took here was an act of rebellion against hustle culture. Bookmark this for tomorrow's dawn. Remember, you don't owe the world your exhaustion. Step forward gently now. Not because you must, but because you chose to honor your humanity first.